Quick recap lang ng mga laro sa PBA Philippine Cup noong June 11, 2025. Converge. Napakagandang panalo laban sa San Miguel, 100-97 sa second game ng doubleheader na ginanap sa Ninoy Aquino Stadium. Crucial tong panalo ng Converge, no, because that puts them in a position na makuha pa rin yung twice to beat advantage, although very slim ang chance ay may chance pa rin itong Fiber Xers, no. Big game for Shawnee Winston, makita natin sa picture dito, no. But before that, gaano nga ba kalaki itong panalo ng Converge against San Miguel? Well, nakabawi sila after losing an 18-point lead, no. Ang laki ng hinabol ng San Miguel ng third quarter. They outscored Converge 31-17 nung third quarter, pero nakabawi pa rin ang Converge. They showed their composure, and pinangunahan sila ni Shani Winston na umiscore ng 12 of his 25 points sa fourth quarter. Doon niya naibuslo yung mga important baskets para ma-reclaim ng Converge yung kalamangan sa game na ito. Notable performance din itong si Justin Arana with 21 points. Pati na rin si JL De Los Santos who had 13 points, including a three-pointer doon sa crucial run doon sa final minutes ng laro. At dahil doon sa tres ni De Los Santos ay nakaalagwa pa muli itong Converge against San Miguel. So, ito na-mention natin itong si Alex Stockton, nilagay natin dito sa ating presentation because Alex Stockton had 7 points on 2 of 12 shooting from the field. Medyo nag-struggle siya offensively, and kapansin-pansin din na medyo he was losing his cool, no, in some stretches in the ball game, no. At siguro it's also a sign na he also needs to keep his emotions in check, especially ngayong juncture na ito ng conference na kung saan ay papasok na sa playoffs itong Converge. So, anong tingin nyo dun sa mga, kung napanood nyo yung game, anong masasabi nyo dun sa nangyari sa emotions ni Alex Stockton, no, sa laro? And comment down below kung ano masasabi nyo. And of course, yung ding panalo ng conversion, ano masasabi nyo dyan, just comment down below. So, sa team standings naman, San Miguel dropped to 7-3. Kung nanalo sana ng San Miguel, kuha na nila yung number one seed, no, sa quarterfinals. But they will have to do it again, try it again on Sunday when they face Northport. At itong Converge naman with a 7-4 win-loss record, merong maliit na chance, no, na makuha pa rin ng Converge yung twice to beat advantage. Siguro we will discuss that sa ibang video, no, when we have the time. So yun po yung resulta ng second game ng ating doubleheader noong June 11. Again, ako po si Ruben Terrado. Thank you for watching us on our YouTube channel. In our second game, or in our first game naman, Northport, no, in-upset itong NLEX sa score na 113-108, snapping their 8-game losing streak. So, I believe yung last win ng Northport was last April, at finally, nakakuha na rin sila ng panalo over NLEX. And aside from snapping their 8-game losing streak, ay nagwagi na rin itong Northport with Calvin Abueva aboard, no. Cade Flores, no, makita niyo sa picture, 21 points, 5 assists, and 3 steals. Huge performance for him. Actually, that's his career high. Well, check that, no. Correction lang dun sa ating graphic, no. Cade Flores actually had 26 points and 15 rebounds. My apologies, no. Yung numbers na yan ay kay Franyo. Yan, 21 points, 5 assists, and 3 steals. Good game for Franyo. But again, Cade Flores, take note. My apologies. 26 points, career high, and 15 rebounds para kay Cade Flores. And then si Calvin Abueva in his second game with the Batang Pier. Another solid showing, all-around performance, 19 points, 8 rebounds, 4 assists, and 5 steals. At sabi nga niya after the game ay happy siya dun sa minutong nakukuha niya. In fact, sabi nga niya mukhang nabigla yung kanyang katawan dahil nagkaroon siya ng cramps, no, at the end of the game. Sign siguro yun na hindi pa siya handa dun sa added minutes na nakukuha niya sa Northport, but still he's very happy na he's getting his minutes. So again, Northport snapping an 8-game losing streak. They improved to 2-8 heading into their final game against San Miguel Beer, a crucial game for the Beermen, while itong NLEX nagtapos ang kanilang elimination round with an 8-3 record. So yun ang ating recap no, ng games last June 11, 2025. Balikan lang natin na mabilisan yung standings. No? NLEX 8-3 at first place, San Miguel with 7-3, Ginebra 7-3, Magnolia 7-3, Converge at fifth with 7-4, and then TNT, Rain or Shine, and Meralco with a 6-5 win-loss record. Yun po yung top 8 sa team standings. Kita nyo naman, dikit-dikit pa, and maybe we will discuss that sa ibang video no, dito sa ating YouTube channel. Okay, dyan na po nagtatapos yung ating recap no, ng ating mga games sa noong June 11, 2025, and ako po si Ruben Terrado. Please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and we will see you next time.